After World War II, the United States of America's been busy across the globe, involved in both covert and overt operations, mediator, or taking sides, or neutral. If you want to experience ancient Roman imperialism or ancient Athenian hegemony, here is a clear example.